Welcome to Kidglo English channel.
Don't forget to subscribe the channel.
Guess the family short forms. Can you get them all? What does bro stand for? Brother! What does sis stand for? Sister! What does mom stand for? Mother? What does dad stand for? Father. What does Gran stand for? Grandma, grandmother. What does Gramps stand for? Grandpa, grandfather. What does cuz stand for? Cousin. What does Auntie stand for? Aunt. What does Unc stand for? Uncle. What does fam mean? Family.